How to pause Shopify store? Well, this is really easy thing to do. So make sure you watch this video till the end. You have to go to bottom right left side corner in the settings bar here. And then you have to go to plan. In the plan, you will see an option, to choose. If you have already planned, then you can just go and click on the plan. On the top right, you will see cancel your plan. So once you cancel your plan, you will here in the bottom, you will see there an option to deactivate your store. So here or otherwise you will see an option of deactivate trial or deactivate store or cancel something. Now just go and click on it, and here you will get the same thing. Now just go and click on continue. What is the main reason? So you can just select the reason and just go and continue again, right? And here once you enter the password, then your Shopify store will be deactivated. So until and unless you don't reactivate your store, till that time your store will be deactivated, as well as your plan will be also in the pause. Right, so this is only one way to pause your Shopify store. I hope you found this video very useful. Subscribe.